Good morning, students. I hope in the previous video, in the previous lecture, you might have seen, or you have gone through the second day of GameZone, where we have started with the new unit, it is GameZone unit, and where we are going to learn about Scratch Junior. We have started using Scratch Junior also. I hope you have also completed your pending worksheets from the lead book, and if not, please complete it as soon as possible and share it with me in the Google Classroom. Okay, going ahead, today we are going to see day 3 of the day 3 period or the next class. In today's period, we are going to see about what we are going to learn ahead in the same unit. So let's begin. So what you have to do before we start, so it's just a review. So this work was being given to you as homework. Okay, where you have to help the car mechanic find where tools are in the grid, write it down in the space given, 2 are done for you. So I think these 2 are done for you and you have to find the remaining one. So it was very simple. Last time I told you, for example, if this mechanic wants to find this broken car, so it is at which position, कौन से position पर है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, रो में कौन सा वाला रो है, नंबर 2, और ये कौन सा वाला कौन सा कॉलम है, नंबर 2 कॉलम, ये कौन सा रो है, नंबर 1 रो, तो क्या आएगा 2,1. उसके बाद इट वांट्स टू फाइंड द स्पैनर फाइंड करना है, तो कौन से नंबर कॉलम पे है, ये देखो, ये 4 यहाँ पे है नंबर 4, और ये कौन से रो पर है, नंबर 3, इसलिए आंसर क्या है 4,3. So in this way this question was being given to you as a homework, and here you can see these are the answers in front of you. You can just pause the video and you can just check your answers from here, and then if it is right, excellent. If it is not, just correct the answers and you can then go ahead. Okay, fine. Moving ahead, let's watch the next video.
Hi friends, welcome back. So, I am here with another interesting topic, motion blocks. Today, we will learn how to use motion blocks in Scratch Junior to move a crab. Let us begin. First, click on the home icon. Here, I have chosen Project 4. In this project, I have already added the crab character and a suitable background. Now, let us explore.
Okay, so today we are going to learn about the motion block. Okay, so the next category of block that we are going to see is the motion block, where we are going to make one crab, this crab which you can see on the screen, move. इस crab को move करने वाले हैं. तो इसके लिए पहले क्या करना है आपको? So let's begin. So this is the Scratch Junior app which you can see on my screen. आपके पास भी Scratch Junior app होगा, उसको आप open करेंगे पहले. Just follow the instruction the way I am doing. Once you have opened Scratch Junior, you have to now click on the home tab. आपको भी home tab पे click करना है. After you click on the home tab, you have to again go to plus. Plus में आपको एक new project open करना है. Okay. So now you see a new project has got open. अब यहाँ पे आपको ये tick नहीं चाहिए. Okay. You do not want this tick over here. So the way as I told you, just click on that and delete this. इसको delete कर देना है आपको. Fine. And now click on this. Already we are over here. So now we are going to add a character. हमें कौन सा character add करना है? हमें add करना है एक crab and one more character over there. Okay. So let's search for crab. So while searching, we will get the crab over here. Search for it. Yes, it is here. It is just next to duck, frog, or duck के बाजू में है crab. Click on the crab and click on right. The crab gets added. Okay. Now for this you have to also choose one background. So for background, what you will do? ABC के बाजू में here you have one scenery. Click on that and take a suitable background. So we want a sea वाला background. So select the sea background. Here is the sea background. And a beach day. Beach background you can say. So our background is ready and our character is also ready. So till here you have to do. Let's see the next thing what you have to do in the video.
the various motion blocks. First, let us see the move right block. Let me drag the block to the programming area and click on it. It made the crab move one step right. Now, let us try the next block. This is the move left block. Let me click on the block. Look, this made the crab move towards the left. The third block is move up. Let me click on this block as well. This made the crab move up. This is the move down block. Let me click on it. This made the crab move down. Next, we have the turn right block. On clicking it, the crab turned right. Next in the row is the turn left block. Let me click on it. This made the crab turn left. Next, we have the hop block. Looks like this block made the crab hop. And the last block in the list is the go home block. Let me click on it. Did you notice what happened? This sent the character back to its starting position on the stage. So friends, we have explored all the motion blocks. Now, I will leave you with your teacher to try some problems on motion blocks.
Okay, so as you have seen now what we have done in the video, we have tried all these sorts of motion blocks. So where do you get the motion blocks? Motion blocks are the nothing but all the blocks you can see on the screen. Okay, so when you click on this arrow, you get all type of motion blocks. So what is the name of motion? Motion मतलब क्या होता है? जब हम किसी चीज को मूव करते हैं उसे कहते हैं मोशन. मोशन मतलब मूवमेंट, राइट? सो व्हेन आई वांट माय कैट टू दिस क्रैब टू शो सम मूवमेंट, आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस मोशन ब्लॉक. मोशन ब्लॉक कहाँ पे होता है? ये एरो पे जब आप क्लिक करोगे तो आपको सारे मोशन ब्लॉक दिखेंगे. लेट्स सी वन बाय वन. ये है मूव राइट. क्लिक ऑन दिस. यहाँ पे आप अगर नंबर चेंज कर सकते हो. यू कैन टेक 8 एंड इफ आई जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस, it will go 8 step in forward. Okay, take it back again, left side again. If I change it to maybe 7, and now if you see, click on this, 7 step on the left. Then next, if I want it to go up, change the number, maybe 2 steps up. Again change the to the next block, come down, change the number, maybe 9, and now 9 steps down. Okay, again let it take up. This is turn on the right hand side. Okay, change the number to 8, and now if you see, it take a turn to the 8 times it take a turn on the right hand side. Again left ले लो and again take it 8, and now 8 times to the left side. Okay, then this is called a hop. Hopping means hop करना, ऊपर नीचे hop करना, right? So if I just take it as 8, and now if you see, that much high jump it takes a high jump. Okay, and then this is called as home button. If you just click on that, the crab will come to its original position. Starting में जहाँ पे crab था ना, वहाँ पे वो आ जाएगा. See, देखो यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे आ गया. This is how the we can make use of the motion block. Okay, I hope this is very much clear, and I want you all to try out these blocks from your end also. Okay, now let's go ahead. So problems on motion block. Write a script below. So this is write a script below. To help the bus reach the school, use arrows to draw motion block in the boxes given below. So this is available. This question is on page number This question is on page number, yeah, it's on page number 53. This is on page number 53, 53. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to make just okay. Let me check the page number properly. Just a minute, let me check where this question is. Okay, these questions are not given in your book. It is just the problem that we are going to solve together. Okay, this is not given in your book. ये book में नहीं दिया है, ये हम खुद अपने end पे करने वाले हैं. Exam, such type of question can come, so you should be able to solve it. Okay, आपको बस arrow use करना है, ठीक है. अभी देखो, ये जो बस है, इसको स्कूल तक पहुंचना है, तो अब क्या करोगे? What are you going to do? You will start from here, so you will take a right straight. So straight arrow will come here. First will be straight arrow, right? Then उसके बाद take a, so see, first is a straight arrow. Then I have to take a turn. So left turn I will take. So left side arrow, up arrow will come. So see here, up arrow is there. Again, if I go on the left side, I will not reach the school. So I should go on the right side. So right arrow will come then. ये देखो right arrow हो गया. Only 2 blocks are left. अब नीचे आके वापस से, so down arrow. So see down arrow आ गया, and finally the right side arrow. And this is how we will reach the school. Okay. Then again here, this astronaut has to reach the spaceship. Okay, the submarine. Sorry, the driver has to reach the submarine. The diver in the water needs to reach the submarine. So how it will start? Again, it will take first right side arrow, right turn. So right arrow. Okay. Up, it will come down. So it will come down. See, नीचे आ जाएगा. Again left. Again up. Right, down, and this way. So it has come down. Now I will take a right side arrow, so right turn. Again it will go up, so top arrow. Again on the right side, so right arrow. Down, so down arrow. And again right, so right arrow. So this is the way it will reach the. So this is type of things that we have seen. Now based on this, you have activity given on page number 48. Okay, you have activity given on page number 48 and 53. So you can solve the way we have अभी हमने जैसे किया है उस तरह से आपको पेज नंबर 48 में और 53 में दिया है, आपको वो सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है. I'll just share with you the homework pages also. Don't worry. See, so this is the homework that you are going to do. Match the task with the correct blocks. I think it's very easy. Starts the script when you tap on the flag. ये हमने किया भी है, तो flag is used to start the script. Then this finger is for which one? It is start the script, which is all for the yellow one. And stop indicates the end. So this red color is for the stop. And help in the lion to collect. So you have just used the arrows to collect all the balloons so that lion can reach the home. Lion को घर तक पहुंचना है और सारे balloons भी collect करने हैं. तो उसको आपको रास्ता बताना है properly कि वो कौन से रास्ते से जाएगा, ठीक है? This is the homework that you have to do. Yeah, so you guys, as you can see, the answers available. Right? Let's take a pause and look at the answers. Then we have worksheet 7. As I told you, ये same जो हमने किया था arrow वाला, वैसे ही आपको arrow करना है, complete करना है इसको, ठीक है? The answer they have shown here. See here. This is the type of answer that you can get. Okay? But I wanted to solve it first on your end and then do it. So again, as I told you, worksheet number 12, that is on page number 53. They have given same thing. You will do it at your end. ये भी नीचे last का जो ये आप complete करोगे आपके end से same way में जैसे हमने किया था, right, and using right, left, up and down arrow. Okay. So this is what you have to do for the day, students. I hope the instructions are very clear. You will do the practice properly and share with me your work in the GC. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.